Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Mobile Standing Desk by JYLH JOYSEEKER, a versatile and innovative solution for your home or office workspace needs. This height-adjustable rolling laptop desk features a unique folding desktop that tilts from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, making it perfect for reading, composing, or painting, while non-slip pads ensure your laptop stays secure even at an angle. With its gas spring height adjustment, you can effortlessly switch between sitting and standing positions, ranging from 27.2 to 41.3 inches, all with a smooth one-button lift. Designed for easy mobility, this portable desk is equipped with 4 hidden casters, allowing you to maneuver it wherever you need, and its low-profile base tucks neatly beneath furniture to save space. The spacious 31.5 by 15.7-inch surface provides ample room for your essentials, making it ideal for use near beds, couches, or recliners, and even serving as a breakfast tray for bedridden patients or the elderly. Crafted from cold-rolled steel with a rust-resistant coating, this sturdy desk supports up to 17.6 pounds and comes with all necessary instructions and tools for easy assembly. Whether you're working, reading, or enjoying a meal in bed, the Mobile Standing Desk by JYLH JOYSEEKER is your go-to solution for comfort and convenience.